Hi there! Here's the newly launched Honor Choice Earbuds X5. Priced at just $1,999, Honor has got a lot of things right on this one. It comes with active noise cancellation, then you get 10mm drivers, it also comes with app support, 35 hours of battery life and still more. Looks really good on paper for the price. But it does miss out on some features which we shall talk about further in this video. So let's quickly unbox it and see how it performs. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. Wow, doesn't this look similar to the Apple AirPods box? Anyway, image of the earbuds, then some key features are mentioned on the back, manufacturing details here. Let's open it up. Right on the top are the earbuds themselves. Then you have two extra pair of ear tips of different sizes and some paperwork below. Keep in mind there is no USB-C charging cable in the box. But tell me the truth, how many of you would actually use that little tiny cable to charge your earphones? Most of you would probably use your phone's charging cable. It's a lot more longer and convenient. So I don't think it's a big deal. On the flip side, if you have to charge your phone and earbuds together, then that could be a slight problem. Anyway, let's have a closer look at the buds and their design. Very familiar looking earbuds, white color, comes with a glossy finish and feels really nice to touch. Weighs 50 grams with the earbuds inside, nice and compact. Easily fits in your palm. There's a small LED light in the front, USB-C port at the bottom, nice and clean. Best for me is that we can open the lid with just one hand, nice and snappy. Inside we see the earbuds, let's remove them. Alright, so we see we have a buds and a small stem design. The stem, if you look closely, is actually flat, giving it a little unique look. You can spot two mics on each of them for noise cancellation and phone calls. The top section on the stem is for tap gestures. Overall, the build quality is pretty good. Then these X5s come with IP54 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. Ideal if you want to wear them at the gym or for a run. Then we get the latest Bluetooth 5.3, so better stable connectivity. Coming to pairing. First, download the Honor AI Space app on your phone. Come to Add Devices, open the lid of the earbuds and the name should pop up in a couple of seconds. Click and it's paired in just a couple of seconds. We'll talk about the app a little later. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, I'm currently wearing both and I can tell you that they snug in very nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Each earbud weighs about 4.26 grams and they're really light and comfortable to be worn for long hours. We tried shaking our head, oh my god, and you can see that they don't fall off either. Just make sure you have the right size of the bud size so they can give you a good fit as well as good sound quality. Let's talk about the sound, but first, hardware. It comes with 10mm drivers and supports AAC and SBC codec. When it comes to the sound experience, they are really good. Very premium sound quality, I'd say. The instrument separation, the vocal clarity is really impressive. In fact, bass too. Very balanced audio experience. For bass heads, you can actually go to the app and switch to the bass boost mode and the punch is really deep. Something I know a lot of people truly love. Let's talk about ANC. Now, Honor claims it cancels up to 30 decibels and trust me, they do a really good job in cancelling out most of the ambient sound. If you plan to use them on a flight, it should easily cancel most of that white noise up to 80 to 90%. Also, at times we notice that when you turn on ANC on some headphones, it gives you a headache. I didn't experience any of that with the X5s. Then it also comes with awareness mode, which is also popularly known as transparency mode. I know, it's kind of the opposite of ANC and it enhances the sound around you, making you aware of your surroundings. Ideal to be turned on when outdoors so that the traffic sound can be heard. Then we also use these a lot for phone calls. Here's a quick demo. So the audio hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Honor Earbuds X5. In my experience, the audio was pretty clear both ways and it's really good to use for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down the comments and share your feedback with us. These X5s also come with tap gestures. So you can pause play, you can change tracks, you can toggle noise cancellation directly from your earbuds. You can further custom set these gestures from the app as well. Now, two things to keep in mind. You cannot control the volume using these tap gestures and there's no in-ear detection support. Then Honor claims low latency for gaming and we tested that briefly too. There is a very slight, almost negligible delay while gaming, but not something a casual gamer would even notice. However, if you're looking for earphones to watch movies, the lip sync was spot on. There was no delay observed. Let's have a quick look at the companion app. Well, it doesn't have much, yet all the important stuff like battery percentage of the earbuds and the case. Then you can toggle noise cancellation, turn it off or switch it to awareness mode. Then EQ sound mode, you can switch from default to bass boost to treble boost. Sadly, no custom equalizer option here. Then going back, shortcuts which are tap gestures, you can custom set each one as per your preference. Software update and user guide. It's basic and pretty simple to use. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a 460 mAh battery and each earbud comes with a 45 mAh battery. Honor claims it will last you for about 9 hours on a single charge and about 35 hours in total with the case, which is very good. But these numbers are without ANC turned on, so expect these numbers to be a lot lower when noise cancellation is enabled. Alright, final thoughts. I'll start with the cons, though they are kind of nitpicking but still worth mentioning. There's no dual pairing support. Then there's no in-ear detection support. There's no custom equalizer support. But again, it all comes to the price. For $1,999, Honor offers excellent sound quality, impressive ANC, good comfort and fit, and a very long battery life. Easily recommended. The Honor X5s are actually already on sale on Amazon. I'll share the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.